Hi Shashikanth, we will try to understand about Oracle DBA, some concept.
Yes.
So let's see, how much you guys are comfortable with that. So if I want to check the name of database and if I want to see like whether my database is running or not, so how you can check that?
I use the $V database in metadata table.
Okay.
So that can fire the command select name underscore open select name comma open underscore mode from $V database. So that can give me the result your database up and running and database name also.
Acha. So you are going to check the $V database as
Yes,
a
sir.
metadata table.
Yes.
There is one more way is there, like you can also do ps-ef grep pmon.
Yes.
So that will tell you like whether your instance is running or not. But it does not give you guarantee whether it is completely in mount stage or in, because it can be no mount also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that also you can check. Like if I want to put my database into the 𝐟𝐤𝐿OG mode,
before you can put your database in 𝐟𝐤𝐿OG mode, you can your database is running. So that time you can check the your database in 𝐟𝐤𝐿OG mode or not. So you can fire the command show parameter 𝐟𝐤𝐿OG list. So that time display the result of your database 𝐟𝐤𝐿OG mode or not. If your database is not non 𝐟𝐤𝐿OG mode, so you can start your database in mount state.
Mount stage. Okay.
That time you can set your the database in 𝐟𝐤𝐿OG mode, alter database 𝐟𝐤𝐿OG.
Okay, and then you can open the database.
Yes, and also you can decide where your 𝐟𝐤𝐿OG is saved in a specific location. So that time you can set also log 𝐟𝐤𝐿OG and the location of the where you can save your 𝐟𝐤𝐿OG.
Acha. So basically, this is an online activity or offline activity?
Is online activity.
No, what I'm trying to say, like if you're putting a database from no 𝐟𝐤𝐿OG to 𝐟𝐤𝐿OG, whether it is online activity or offline activity?
Offline activity, because your database is not up and running.
Acha, that time you're keeping your database in mount stage?
Yes.
And then changing the to 𝐟𝐤𝐿OG mode?
Yes, sir.
Acha. So another question, like if I want to take the backup of my database, what all tools and utilities are there?
You can first of all you can decide your you can take your backup your database in a logical level or physical level. If you can take your database backup logical level, so you can use data pump or also called some person some employee called is data pump or some called is export import.
Acha.
Also called as a traditional utility.
Acha. And if I want to take the backup of physical files, then?
So that time you can use the 𝐸 utility. So that time you can use take a backup physical level database.
So when you take the backup of logical, like let's say you are taking a backup of table or tablespace, whether it is an online activity or offline activity?
It is an online activity. You can take your database up and running. That time you can use the export import because it's a utility. It is not a SQL statement.
So what is the necessity condition if I want to take the backup of 𝐸𝐴? Like whether, do you understand what I'm trying to say?
No, sir.
Let's say I want to take the backup by using 𝐸𝐴.
Yes.
So whether my database should be in 𝐸𝐿OG mode, is it a necessary?
Yes, sir. If you want to take your physical level backups, that means you can use the 𝐸 utility. So that time your database must be in 𝐸𝐿OG mode, because if you take a backup your database full level 0L1, so after that changes it can save in 𝐸𝐿OG mode. So there it is online activity. So if user is some do activity insert update delete, so that changes in store in 𝐸𝐿OG mode. So that can be useful.
Can we take the backup, cold backup by using 𝐸𝐴?
Cold backup? Yes, you can do it.
How to do that?
You can it is called as a consistent backup. That time you can it is non online activity. If your database non 𝐸𝐿OG mode, it is possible to take a cold backup.
So when you want to take the backup by using 𝐸𝐴, that is a cold backup.
Yes.
You need to put your database into the mount stage and then you can run the same command. Okay.
No, sir, it is not compulsory. You can run your database mount state. It is not necessary because your database is not up and running. It is totally offline activity. So you can
no, see, when your database is not running now, when your database is not running, you cannot take the 𝐸𝐴 backup.
Okay.
Your database at least should be in mount stage.
Okay.
Then and only then you can take the backup, and that backup we called it as a cold backup.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And that backup is a consistent backup.
Yes.
Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.